Hello everyone, my name is Ben, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use the Help and Training page in the Pyramid Model Implementation Data System. To get to the Help and Training page, go to the top right under the Support menu and click the Help and Training link. And on this page you'll see we have training videos, frequently asked questions, and tips and tricks. All of these sections are expandable and collapsible so that you can limit how much you see. And we recommend that you come to this page fairly often to check the frequently asked questions, the tips and tricks, and to see if there are any new training videos coming out. We also recommend that if you have a question that you are about to ask support through a support ticket, that you come to this page and check the frequently asked questions first to see if they can answer your question already. And that's about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.